Hello, seniors. I have a question. My client has a website built on WordPress, and many articles are not SEO optimized and are already indexed in Google Search Console. Now I want to change their permalink for SEO purposes. So, what is the best and safest option to save them from duplicate errors? Should I redirect the old URL to the new one, which I would change the permalink to, or is there another option? Could you guide me on what to do and how to do it? Oh, okay, so this actually scares me a little bit whenever there's a newer SEO that wants to go around and start changing URL structure. Because, URL structure is basically how Google understands the entire internet. And if you start messing with it a lot, you can really confuse things or you could do a lot of harm if you don't do things correctly. But what I usually do if I want to change the URL for something, I literally just delete the old page, then I create the new page, and then I do a 301 redirect of the old page to the new page. It's really not that difficult, but you are going to want to make sure you do that on all of them. Maybe there's a better way to go about this. I'm not like the super most like technical SEO type person, but I've never had any problems with this before. Essentially what you're doing is you're just showing Google that it's moved to this other URL. You're making sure that all backlinks that were sent to the old URL are going to that new URL. Um, yeah, I mean it's not necessarily super hard, but depends on like the website and how you're going about doing it and how many URLs you're changing. You could end up like you could have like a huge mess of 301 redirects. So maybe there's a better way. Maybe this is not the greatest advice, but this is what I've always done, and it's what's worked great for me. And especially when I first started SEO, because I was learning like on-page optimization, and I would get it wrong, and so I would have like the URL slug. I was like, oh, what was I doing? That's not my main keyword, or I wanted to change it to make it more optimal. And so I would change them around quite a bit, and yeah, just delete the old one, move all, put the content, change the URL, and then just throw on the old to the new. Should be all right. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.